What word describes the slow, steady makeover of landscapes by water and wind, as if nature were an artist sculpting its masterpiece?
Waterfalls.
Phone a friend. Phone a friend.
You said phone a friend?
Phone a friend.
Phone a friend.
I call on Snow Baby.
I call on. Are you going to give us an answer?
Oh.
Yeah, it's over.
It's over. Let's go with Casper.
Is it erosion?
I ain't gonna lie to you.
Don't let us one word leave you feeling up hot in this
Y'all starting to hear the context clues inside of the sentence. Ladies and gentlemen, it's all in the sentence. Casper, hey, if you let Casper